In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change the mouse pointer speed on your Windows 11 desktop, laptop, or tablet device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu, and you want to type in settings. Best result, you come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. On the left side, select where it says Bluetooth and devices. And then on the right side, select mouse. And then if you want to change the mouse pointer speed, you can just drag this bar to left or right to make it faster or slower. And that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.